guys, Tiffany here. Welcome to week number 4 of my weight loss restart. Over the last 3 weeks, we've managed to come down 6.5 pounds. So come along with me this week to see if I was able to come down any more weight throughout the week. I'll share all my tips and tricks that I used this week in order to achieve my results. I'll have the other 3 weeks linked down below if you haven't seen those already. And make sure you subscribe in order to follow my journey. All right, I'll see you after and enjoy the video. Okay, so I just got to the meal place and I'm about to show you guys the meals that I get to pick in between at this Prime Elite place. And I don't know if you guys have Prime Elite where you are or not, but that's where I had the little subscription for the meals and everything. So I'm gonna grab me a tea out of here, and then I'm also gonna grab me some meals for the week. I'm thinking about either trying to have them for dinner with a bunch of vegetables to go with them, or for lunch. So let's head in here so you guys can see what I'm grabbing. Let's go. Okay, got the meals. I still got like 41 meals left, y'all. So I got the tea. I don't know why I'm drinking it right now though, because it is freezing outside. Freezing outside, okay? Teas are supposed to have less than 1 gram of sugar in them, so very, very nice. This one is called White Sangria. It was the first one on the list. That's good. It's just so cold. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Now we're gonna head to Kroger to pick up our grocery order. Okay guys, here's dinner. I have like 2.5 cups of broccoli, 6 ounces of, it probably don't look like it, y'all, but I did weigh the chicken tenders, and the 6 ounces of chicken breast. This is just my own version of the Popeyes blackened chicken tenders. And then, so I just have 2. I wasn't that hungry anyways. And then I have a side of Hidden Valley Light Ranch with 1 serving of my Minute Maid Zero Sugar Lemonade. And I just put some ice in there. Hey guys, okay, so it is, what's today? What is today? You know today, Makai, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday, so it's Wednesday. We just got to the house, picked my son up from school, and we went and grabbed more meals, which I believe you guys seen me going there on Saturday. I'm pretty sure it was Saturday. So they actually had quite a few good meals at the place today, so I got quite a few of them. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got.
Are you about to show it to them?
I am.
How many meals did you order?
Well, I didn't order them, I just picked them up. But I got a lot today. I got 12. No.
Oh my God.
Why are you so loud?
That's one of my friend's numbers.
12?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's see. So I got so many meals today because actually I have a lot of meals left with them. They had some of my favorites, which is these barbecue chicken meatballs plus rice and mixed veggies, and it's only 327 calories. I got 6 of them. Those are my favorite. I promise you. This is what it looked like, and then you just warm it up. This is what I've been having the last couple of days before I go to the gym. Yesterday I had one, but when I got home I was a little bit hungry, which is why I had the chicken tenders. But the main reason why I had it is because I wanted to be able to hit my macro goals for the day. because I didn't eat enough yesterday. And then I also have these 4 ounces of grilled chicken and red potatoes. I have 2 of those. And then I have pasta salad. I didn't necessarily get that for me though. I really got that for my husband. I don't go to the gym today. Today is we calling it our rest day, but it's supposed to be homework day. I also got a tea, which is the same thing I got on Saturday. I like to drink half of this a day. Y'all, I'm struggling getting these nails off. How do y'all be getting y'all nails off? Because I'm like, man, I need to get the rest of these nails off. Like, usually they just be popping off, but now I've been having a hard time. I'm tired. I don't know if I'm doing homework. I need to do dishes, okay? I need to do dishes. I need to do some housework. Because, brother man, this gym been taking over my life, okay? So, I don't know. But I'm gonna think about it. Oh, and let me try to show y'all what I'm looking like too. Let me see. Okay. Bad lighting, but this is what I'm looking like. Can y'all see me?
Oh, beautiful.
Aww. Thank you, Pumpkin. You're so sweet. Did y'all hear him? He said you look beautiful. That's my little baby, y'all. I love him so much. I can definitely tell this thing is coming together. I can tell. All right, so don't pay attention to all that stuff over there. Oh, and my goal was to cook more dinners or, you know, have more stuff at home, right? I've been doing that though. And Monday, y'all, I ended up making I really made it for my husband for the Mediterranean diet, but it's good for just like a healthy soup. I made some lentil soup. Y'all, it's so good. So freaking good. I made it with cornbread. I'm thinking about taking that to lunch tomorrow because I got a thermo that I usually would use like if I did like the cabbage soup diet or something like that. So I might use that tomorrow. I should make it for y'all on here one of these days. So it's actually good. It reminds you of the ministry. Okay, here's dinner. That's the little drumettes that I made that I got from Kroger. Now I just make those in the air fryer, y'all. I usually don't have any ranch with them. I just put my roasted garlic and herb and then some lemon pepper on them. And I like to make them crispy. They usually look better than this too. I had kind of let them get cold and then I had to reheat them up in the air fryer. Honestly, they're best as soon as they get done, but they'll still be good now. And then I have like 2 or 2.5 cups of broccoli, and then today I put 1 piece of cheese in the middle of the broccoli with some pink Himalayan sea salt and pepper. All right, so that's gonna end up being dinner. Oh, and I did have 8 of those chickens too at first. For a drink, I need to drink some more water. I'll probably also have some of my Minute Maid zero sugar lemonade again. All right, that's dinner. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I had to do a 20. I wanted to do a 20. Oh, BK got your camera, so you better do better.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high.
me show y'all my dinner. I just got back from the gym. So I did stop. This is my first dinner buying out this week, y'all. And it's Thursday, so I'm doing good. Okay, so I just got me.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Check out our channel.
That's right. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Check out our channel. Thank you, Pumpkin. So this is a mini grilled chicken Greek salad. This is actually a smaller version of what I had last Friday, but you guys didn't get a chance to see it because I don't know how I forgot to insert it in for last week, but this is the mini one. The other one that I had last week was a regular size one. So what I'm gonna do is weigh the chicken breast on the food scale so I know exactly how many ounces to calculate in my FitnessPal app. All right, I'm about to have this with Greek dressing, and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Saturday, so I'm about to do my home workout. I actually had to work today, but it was a short day, so now I'm home. I'm about to work out, let my body rest, and then I'll talk to you guys after to discuss. Okay guys, so yesterday I did get on the scale, but I haven't shared my results yet because I wanted to wait to do my measurements until today. So we're about to do the measurements now because tomorrow will be exactly 1 month since I did my measurements last, and then Tuesday will be exactly 1 month since I actually got back on a healthy, balanced weight loss journey. So I wanted to do the measurements today, then we'll do some comparisons side by side to see if we had any progress with the measurements, along with seeing our progress for the weight loss through this month. So let's dive right in. So I know I did across my face, from ear to ear across the top lip, and I have 10 1/4. So I don't remember what it was the last time, y'all, but 10 1/4 is that. Let's do the measurements around my neck. That one was a little harder to see the last time, I remember. So right here, I have 13 1/4. Let's do biceps. I have 13.5 on my right arm. Looks like 13.5 on my left arm. Let's do the boobs. Look like 42. Up under the boobs. $34. Around the smallest part of the waist. $32 3/4. Around the largest part of the waist. $35.5. Around the hips. $46. Hopefully you guys can see. Yep, look like it. Around the thighs. $27 for the right thigh. $27 for the left thigh. I know you guys can't see the calves, but I'm about to do my right calf. I have 15 for the right calf, but like 15.5 for the left calf. All right, that's it for my measurements today. So next I'll do some side-by-side picture comparisons along with the measurements and let you guys know what my weight was for this week. All right, I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay guys, so as you can see, we came down 7.5 pounds over the last 4 weeks. Let me know if you guys can tell the difference in day 1 and day 28. And I know for me, I just have to keep reminding myself, hey, you still have further to go. But for the meantime, girl, you've been doing your thing and putting in that hard work. And I can tell the difference. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And until next time, bye.